Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how toothpaste is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The humectants, like glycerin and sorbitol, are blended first, before the introduction of fine abrasives and stabilizing fluoride compounds. To ensure the highest quality, we carefully balance the paste consistency, blending the abrasives and fluoride until the mixture is perfectly smooth.
Achieving the perfect consistency requires a delicate balance of humectants and abrasives, precisely monitored to ensure quality in every batch.
Every batch is refined and tested for safety and smoothness.
Every batch undergoes strict refinement to ensure smoothness and safe fluoride concentration. Every tube is checked before shipping.
And that's how toothpaste is made, from start